Hey guys, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to factory reset your iPhone 12 Pro Max in order to delete everything and erase all the content. This is something you want to do if you're selling, giving it away, or trading in your iPhone, so all of your information is completely wiped out and it's back to factory default. So let's get started now. Before you consider even doing a factory reset, make sure if you want to keep a copy of your data like your photos, videos, apps, and music and all of that, keep a copy of it by doing a backup by going to your Apple ID account here, iCloud, and then if you have iCloud, you can do iCloud backup. If you're new to iCloud, you can just go in here and then you can go to iCloud backup and then click on backup now, or you can also back it up to your computer. Or if you have a MacBook, you can also do it on a MacBook. On a computer, you'll use iTunes, but back it up so that you can restore it. And if you haven't done so, restore your information to a new phone before you do this step, because once you do a factory reset, it cannot be undone. So it's just something that's really important for you to understand. And once you're ready, all you're going to do is go into your setting of your iPhone, just like that. We open up settings, and then we go to general, and then scroll all the way down to transfer reset iPhone, and we're going to click on that. Now from this menu, all we do is click on erase all content and settings. Now once you do that, you'll get this pop-up here and it's going to ask you, or basically tell you what's going to get erased on this phone or reset. Things like apps and data, like as we mentioned, your Apple ID account will get removed, and activation lock or Find My will get removed from your account so that the next person can sign in and use their own Apple ID or create one for themselves. So all we'll do is hit continue, and once you hit continue, it's gonna prompt you probably for your phone's passcode along with your Apple ID password as well. So hit erase, and then it's gonna do a backup. If you didn't do a backup, you can skip it or do the backup now. After that, you're gonna be prompted to enter your Apple ID password for the account that's signed in. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my Apple ID password. Now after you enter your Apple ID password, simply click on turn off here so it can turn off the Find My and activation lock. You might have to do it once or twice for it to work. So let's see. After that, as you can see here, you're going to get to this Apple logo. That means the factory reset or the erasing process has begun. It will flash a few times with the Apple logo with that loading menu, which is completely fine. Just let it do its thing. Now when you're doing a factory reset like this, sometimes it take a couple minutes, up to 5 to 10 minutes. So make sure your phone has enough charge. You don't want it to die during the process because it will not be successful. So connect it to a charger, or if you have 50% or more charge, you should be good for the most part if you have a phone, but make sure that it has charge. And we're going to wait till we get to the hello screen, which is going to indicate to us that the phone has successfully been factory reset. And I'm going to show you what I mean, and this is all in real time. If you want to fast forward to that hello screen, show you what it looks like, you can, but we're just going to wait till we get to the hello screen here momentarily. As I mentioned a couple times, you're going to see that Apple logo kind of go ahead and flash, which is completely fine. Just let it just do its thing. So we're going to wait here, and as I mentioned, after you do this, you'll be pretty much safe to trade it in, give it away, sell it, whatever it is, because all of your information will be wiped out. And the phone would be like if someone bought a new phone for them and they're activating it for the very first time. So we're going to see this through, see how long it takes in real time here. And this method is on the latest version of the iOS update, which for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, you can update it to iOS 17, and most likely this will probably work on iOS 18 and newer iOS version, as new iOS version comes out every year as well. So we're going to wait here. And while we're waiting, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do consider hitting that subscribe button for tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We have tons of content in our channel, and we'll be posting a lot more content to help you guys navigate your iPhone and other iOS devices. As you can see here, this is the hello screen. As I mentioned, when you get to that hello screen, animation here, the hello screen, and we swipe up and we see that English option. That means it's ready to go for the next person to set it up, and we have successfully factory reset and erased our iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.